Click on the link below to get price. The WEN Quiet and Lightweight 4800-watt RV-Ready Portable Inverter Generator is an impressive piece of machinery designed for both casual campers and dedicated RV enthusiasts. Weighing just 95 pounds, this generator strikes a fine balance between portability and power, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize ease of transport without sacrificing performance. One of the standout features of this generator is its quiet operation. The WEN inverter technology ensures that it runs at a noise level of only 57 decibels, which is comparable to a normal conversation. This makes it an ideal companion for camping trips, tailgating events, or any outdoor gatherings where noise levels need to be kept in check. Users can enjoy their surroundings without the disturbance of a loud generator. The generator's 4,800-watt peak and 3,800-watt running capacity provide ample power for essential appliances like refrigerators, air conditioners, and multiple electronic devices. Its RV-ready design features a 30-amp outlet, making it incredibly convenient for powering up RVs directly. Additionally, the generator comes with two 120V20A outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and a USB port, ensuring versatility in powering various devices. Another notable feature is the fuel shutoff function, which allows for greater efficiency and longevity. By shutting off the fuel supply once the generator is turned off, users can prevent stale fuel issues that often plague traditional generators. This thoughtful design decision enhances the overall durability and reliability of the unit. The assembly and operation of the WEN generator are straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and an intuitive control panel. Although it may take some time to familiarize oneself with the controls, the learning curve is gentle. Overall, the WEN Quiet and Lightweight 4800-watt RV-Ready Portable Inverter Generator is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly option that meets the demands of modern outdoor living. Whether you're a seasoned RV traveler or simply need reliable backup power, this generator impressively delivers on all fronts.